am about to share with you a secret that will blow your mind. I am here in Old Manali and I was taking a sip of my coffee and suddenly this realization dawned upon me, and it's the kind of realization that I just had to express, I had to share, and I couldn't wait to go back home and make a video. And I can't just go out because it's raining, it's about to drizzle and the snow is about to appear. And this is an information that is going to blow your mind and give you all perspectives of how manifestation is happening and why manifestation is real and how the entire universe is one and connected. So when you are in a situation where you are in a circumstance where things are not working out for you, you are stressed, you are worried, you are wounded, and in that state you are reaching the core coercion point. When you are reaching the core coercion point, you are feeling a sense of pressure, a state of breakdown where literally you are feeling crushed. At this point, you are having excess of cortisol in your body. Simultaneously, you are also emitting beta waves. So whenever you are in that state, when there's excess of cortisol and you're worried and you're feeling like it's stuck, you can't move from here, this is the end, and you're literally moving in a wave, that's the beta wave that has got activated. To transcend it, you need to observe, imagine, concentrate, which is you need to emit the gamma waves through concentration. And when you are emitting the gamma waves through concentration, through focus, you are literally moving through your cortisol molecules and changing the configuration to activate endorphin or the transmutation process in your body. In this point, your body can activate the delta state. You can go asleep instead of being able to stay conscious, and your unconscious aspect comes into the surface where you are moving past the layers of the shadows and receiving the essence of love to flow through it, which is also the light of God, the presence of God, the presence of life force energy, which is love, is also flowing through you, which is also the oxytocin hormone. And when you are in this flow, you are in this state, you're kind of activating your alpha, where you're relaxed but also aware of all that is going on. And this is where you are being ordained to go within and activate your theta state, where you're going inwards and going to that state of relaxation. And in all this process, when you are channeling a lot of gamma wave, you're concentrating a lot, you're pushing through with the process of allowing their transmutation, where there's endorphin flowing through your body, and that's transmuting. And when there is vibration, music, it's furthermore percolating through various dimensions in your body, in your consciousness, and it's moving through each particle, and you are sensing the vibration, you're sensing the momentum run through every particle in you, and there's upsurge happening where everything that is clogged is opening up and your vibration is rising, and you are just pushing through the core of your consciousness to experience a flip and a life-changing breakthrough, a state of transformation where miracles are propelling in your life in every dimension, when everything has transmuted to open. a new state, and there's the essence of serotonin, there's the essence of oxytocin flowing through you. And while there's still transmutation happening, still endorphins flowing, and you are reaching that state with adrenaline rush, dopamine rush, and also at the same time you are getting into the state of allowing more serotonin, allowing more oxytocin, and you're just breaking past all the cortisol to now transcend past the core quotient point to manifest but God's miracles, which is but allowing this energy, a life force energy, to flow through you and create transcendental miracles for you in your life. Thank you, and love and light to you.